ZTE AXON 30 Ultra. ZTE is emphasizing a lot on cameras of the upcoming ZTE AXON 30 series of devices. ZTE has confirmed that it will have a supermoon ultra mode, which is very exciting. Capturing the celestial bodies or the areas of the night sky is not new to us. Other smartphone makers have their own version of astrophotography to capture the stars and moon during the night time. However, it looks like the ZTE AXON 30 Ultra will take it to the next level. In a series of posts on Weibo, ZTE showcases how the Supermoon Ultra mode on the device works. Although the company shares the teasers as shown with the Ultra, so we will have to wait and see if the other devices support it. Talking about the Super Zoom Ultra, ZTE says that the model relies on multi-camera synchronization to perfectly bring the clarity of the moon and the environment surrounding it. By fusing this with the algorithm underneath, the images that come out are said to produce perfect moonlight seen by the human eye. You can look at few samples images shared by the company on the social platform. The images suggest that the Ultra will make use of the 64MP trio and the 8MP periscope telephoto super zoom lenses to get the right shot. Also, in a couple of videos, we can see that the device has curved display with a punch hole at the center of the selfie camera. Reports so far say that the ZTE AXON 30 Pro and the Ultra variants will have a second generation under display front camera with a 44MP lens. The display is likely a 6.92-inch OLED screen with a 10-bit colors, 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. Talking about the camera, the Ultra is said to have a 64MP main sensor with an aperture of f1.6 and another 64MP ultra wide and another 64MP portrait lens. In addition to that, 8MP periscope lens with a 5x optical zoom. Other expected specification include Snapdragon 888 flagship chipset, LPDDR5 RAM and the latest UFS 3.1 storage, 4500 mAh of battery with a 55W fast charging support, or even it may come with a 65W fast charging support. And the phone will run Android 11 software. So these are all the things we know so far about the upcoming ZTE AXON 30 Ultra. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.